Hello friends and welcome to Sassy Kate and Wren. Today we're making a watermelon hoisin salad. Sweet meets savory, crunchy meets juicy. This hoisin, chicken, watermelon, and cashew salad is my new summer obsession. You need to try it. Cube the watermelon into 3/4 inch chunks and divide it into 2 salad bowls. Shred the roast chicken and divide it equally between the 2 salad bowls, placing on top of the watermelon. Chop your cashew nuts so that they're smaller but not finely chopped and sprinkle over the salads as a garnish. Water down the hoisin sauce, and this is your salad dressing. Pour evenly over the 2 salads. Serve immediately to your delighted guests. Who knew watermelon and chicken could be this good? This salad is a game changer.